This bitter blast isn't helping customers still without power for a fourth day.
CBS 2's Mike Puccinelli joins us live now from one of the hardest hit areas, northwest suburban Des Plaines. Hi, Mike.
Hi, right now about 7,900 homes are still without power, hundreds of them right here in the Des Plaines area, including some of those that you're looking at right now. But 3,000 men and women are in many cases working 16-hour shifts to try and get the power turned back on as quickly as possible.
Home thermostat, and the inside temperature of the house is 46 degrees.
And it's been that way inside Matt Nowogurski's Des Plaines home for 3 straight nights. That's why he's dripping the water and toughing it out.
Not fun. Not fun, but we're hanging in there.
The reason? This tree in his backyard and others like it nearby were taken out by Sunday night's blizzard. And when they went down, they also took down power lines feeding dozens of homes in the neighborhood. How long have you lived here?
28 years.
You ever experienced anything like this?
No, no, sir.
But the Nowogurskis are actually better off than quite a few of their neighbors because they have a generator.
This is what's saving me. At least I got something.
That's been enough to keep one room in the house warm with a space heater.
Without this, you'd have to be in a hotel.
Most likely, yes.
Outside Marina Gomez's home, a large wire is down, but it's still live. So ComEd has had to station a worker here to make sure no one gets hurt. That only added to the frustration of residents like Gomez, who could see an electrical worker but couldn't see anyone working to restore the power.
It's horrible. It's freezing. I've been calling ComEd. They won't tell you anything. They say you just have to wait.
Then crews arrived this morning.
Now they're here. What a coincidence.
Just down the street, Mary Urquhart Mendoza is equally pleased to see ComEd. So this has been pretty tough, huh?
It's been horrible. No power. The pipes might burst because it's so cold, so if my brother hadn't come to put a thing on my furnace, right. And then I can only either have the heat going or my sump pump going.
Now, in all, more than 340,000 customers were without power at the height of the storm. ComEd hopes to have all the power restored to everyone by tomorrow night. Reporting live in Des Plaines, Mike Puccinelli, CBS 2 News. Aaron?
I hope so too. Mike, thank you.